Hey garden lovers! Ever wondered if you can grow guava from just a leaf? Well, today we're diving into exactly that, how to grow guava from leaves, and all the tips and techniques you need to know to make it work. Let's clear this up first. Guava is most commonly propagated from seeds or cuttings, but growing from leaf, specifically the leaf bud cutting, is a fascinating and less common method. It's totally possible, and I'm going to show you how. Here's what you'll need to get started. A healthy guava tree, sharp, clean pruning shears, a rooting hormone, optional but recommended, potting mix or coco peat, small pots or a seed tray, and a plastic bag or humidity dome. Start by choosing a healthy branch with young but mature leaves. You're looking for leaf bud cuttings. That's a leaf with a small piece of stem and a bud at the base. Cut it cleanly at a 45-degree angle. Always use sterilized tools to prevent infections. Now dip the cut end into rooting hormone. This helps stimulate root development and gives your cutting a better chance of survival. Fill your pot or tray with a light, well-draining mix like coco peat or perlite-rich soil. Make a small hole and gently insert the cutting, firming the soil around it. To keep humidity high, cover the pot with a clear plastic bag or place it under a humidity dome. This helps prevent the cutting from drying out while it roots. Keep it in a warm, bright spot but out of direct sunlight. Keep the soil moist, but not soggy. In about 3 to 6 weeks, if all goes well, you should see tiny roots forming. Gently tug to check for resistance. That's a good sign. Once rooted, you can slowly acclimate the plant to open air, then transplant it into a larger pot or directly into your garden. Growing guava from a leaf isn't the fastest method, but it's super rewarding, and a great project for patient gardeners. Give it a try and let me know how it goes. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening hacks. Happy growing!